Hello friends, today we will discuss about the problem faced by more than 4 million people, and that is gout. Gout is caused by a condition known as hyperuricemia, which means of too much of uric acid in the blood. Let's discuss the cause of how the amount of uric acid rises in our blood. Protein-rich food, that is red meat, shellfish, pulses, green leafy vegetables have purines. When metabolism of purines happen in the liver, uric acid is formed, acid's byproduct. This uric acid gets dissolved in the blood. The blood then gets filtered by the kidney and it gets removed out through the urine. But if the intake of purine is too high, our liver produces too much of uric acid. It then becomes difficult for the kidney to filter it out, and hence some amount of uric acid stays back in the blood. This uric acid settles down in the joints and causes inflammation in the joints. The uric acid has to get disposed by the kidney, so if we don't drink enough of water, some of it will settle down in the kidney, forming kidney stones. Hence, it is essential to keep yourself hydrated. Drink almost 10 glasses of water to help the kidney flush out this uric acid. It's a general belief that uric acid just causes gout or kidney stones. But the fact is, increased uric acid is a cause of many metabolic disorders. When percentage of uric acid in blood increases, it destroys the lining of the arteries and thus causing heart attack. Increased uric acid in blood can also be a cause of kidney failure. Rise in uric acid in blood is seen not only in non-vegetarians but also in vegetarians. People suffering from gluten allergies, people at pre-diabetic stage, also consuming food with yeast, processed food, that is canned food, consuming food with high fructose as sweeteners, and lack of fiber in the diet are added reasons for increased uric acid in the blood. Excessive stress also affects the metabolism in our body, leading to increased uric acid. If uric acid remains in the blood, the pH of the blood becomes acidic, which reduces the immunity. So it's necessary to neutralize the pH of the blood. You can have pineapples, cherries, strawberry, lime, raw papaya to reduce the uric acid level. Stop having alcohol and spicy food. Reduce the intake of junk food and aerated drinks. Stay hydrated, have regular checkups. Take care. Bye.